$8 million on Gamestop shares at $38.
As in sold it?
No, but.
What? Hopefully people can hear me. We'll keep an eye on his thing. I guess if his thing comes on. What's up, banners? Who the fuck is calling me? Jesus fuck, dude. Down it goes. Just looked away for a second. Let's see.
Shit dropped 35.
Yeah. There we go. All right. We got. Oh, where's the audio? Test. Yeah, we're on the right one. Wow, it is going down ferocious. Oh, let's pull it up here. We're at 35.50. Fuck, dude, am I even live? Huh. It show me live to you, Anthony, over there on? Yeah, I guess so. Oh. Wow, it is dropping fast, man. What do they do? Just stop the internet or something? Or is that our internet? What in that? We'll stop the mirroring there. Turn that TV on CNBC. Let me get out of these. Let me get out of the TQQ. When do I start selling off so fast like that? All right, so I'm out of the TQQ. Let's pull up GameStop here. 35.12, is that what you have?
35.12.
They paused it, huh? These motherfuckers keep pausing it. What is the fuck, dude?
Oh my god.
What's up?
It was just going so fast you couldn't even read the chat. Nice.
Is that the goddamn problem? Is like the internet stopped? Gotta keep an eye on this TQ though. I don't understand why they keep stopping. It's not moving that much, but we got a sell signal on the 5-day or 5 minute, excuse me. I'll be ready to jump back in this TQ if let me know if it comes back on. I'm gonna be on the TQ for a second. He got arrested. They can't arrest him for what? Trading? Jesus. They might arrest you. Malibu, motherfucker. All right. Well, I just did some big weight in the TQ. We'll get that going in the meantime. See if this dude comes on the live, man. They arrested him to keep him from going live? What? I wonder what would be. This dude comes on the live. Huh. Let's go.
Gamestop files to sell an additional 75 million shares of Gamestop. That's what they're doing right now, maybe?
What? Stopping him?
So Gamestop is filed to sell another 75 million shares.
Yeah, that's why it dropped. I mean, you can't do it if this motherfucker's not. If they're just nonstop selling shares. Oh. So we just had a nice pop out of TQ. The world has forgotten about that. Let's see. So boring in comparison, huh? It's up pretty nice though. I have 2 people watching. What the fuck? Yeah, I guess that's what's up. No, it says 17 now. I was gonna say, are we all meme stock traders now? We'll just let it run.
Have you ever seen anything like this before?
Yeah, oh yeah. Last time it ran, it was similar, and
I know that the GameStop, like when
AMC did.
everyone was watching.
Every once in a while, you get one. Not with the ferocity.
Volkswagen did.
Yeah, every once in a while, you catch one. Get the monitor over here. TQ's breaking out. The RSI's on. I'm gonna turn it on over here too. We'll just slowly trade all of you. They'll be like, there's one house on our company is pulling it the bandwidth of the whole block.
$334, back up.
Is it coming back?
Well, no, it's dropping.
Is it still? It's still below the 20 though, huh? All right, I'll put it on over here. So they turned it back on though.
Yeah. I think it holds it again.
These motherfuckers, dude. Let it play. Let the Fraggles play.
On that one. Back to square in on the front. $18.
Oh, people got diamond hands. Seeing the diamond hands, man. I don't know if this is the trade for that. I'm selling.
Yeah, I know, right? This is not trade.
I'm selling 100 shares of TQ right now. Let's stop.
Popping back up, 35.92.
Oh, we gotta switch back to it.
4.
Are we back? Oh yeah. Did they stop it again? All right, so we got a buy signal though. Shit. See now, oh, there.
Okay.
Trading's halted. I'm trying to buy. It's on a buy signal though. That was very fast though. The TQ. Oh, go so fast where you can't read it. Yeah, and then watch people saying the weirdest dumb shit, dude. They'll be like, "Fuck Biden." Like, what? The apes. The ape strong. Apes for a better America. Here we go. Is that dude live yet? Oh, he's doing the. He's trying to get his sound working like me. Yeah, if he's me, he'd be like, supposed to start at 10. We're starting at 11:30. Yeah. People start leaving. Okay. All right, so TQ hit the first. There we go. Making sure I got sound. I do. And are we back? Is that what it says? Yeah, they're going to start saying the weird stuff. I'm going to trim a little more of this TQ. All right, so I'm going to switch to Gamestop on the. And it's still hold. No, yeah, it's still halted.
Yeah.
On over here on this monitor. And they halted at 35.94. Which is it's a buy signal of the 5. And then the Qs are, I mean, Qs are boring today. Yeah. Thought that homeless dude was grabbing something from your door. I think he stopped to read your sign. He's like, "Hey, I read your sign, so I thought I'd come over here and ask for a cigarette." He just was reading the sign, and then he. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up a thing. If he's still not live, huh? Let's see. So we're on the chat there. Are you watching the chat, Anthony? It's just impossibly going too fast, right? I dropped an MFG. You can't even see it. It just went by so fast.
Someone just reported that Fidelity turned off trading on GME.
They turned it.
As an option.
God. Wow. Oh, it's back on. is back on, man. So I just bought some shares. We're back. I only bought 50, so we may have to. And they stopped it. Did they? Is the 5 minute still on a buy signal, huh? That is a big, nasty red candle right off the bat, though. God damn it. $34.17, just like that. Let me make sure stock charts is what? I'm gonna get out of the TQ, man. I can't emotionally do both. It's just too tough, man. Look at that. That's a huge candle down, huh? $33, just like that. Now I'm gonna try to do some bot. If it holds that line right there, that 33.25, I'm gonna take a shot at it right there. We'll see if it holds. It's breaking. Not cool. Oh. This one. TQ's back in play. We got a green, huh? So I added shares. So this will be just pure momentum trading. Just pure momentum. No stop loss strategy. None of that rules based shit. This is crackhead trading. And down it goes, huh? No. I don't even know why you can't even use stock charts on this.
I know, it's not even.
I have the level 2. If you log into E-Trade, you can watch it on the level 2. Yeah. No. Is that who called me earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't talk today. Yeah, I never sent the invoice. I don't think. You can't right now. Yeah, that's fucking Gamestop trading. Yeah, we're not doing it right now. Is he out of his fucking money? And there goes. All right, here we go. Here we go. I feel it. Nope, I don't feel it. I did feel it. Yeah. 316505. All right. This thing is. So the queues are running though. Oh. He's still not live, huh? Oh. There we go. I'm at 300 shares at GameStop, by the way. Right now. Yeah, but this will be in and out fast. This is gonna go fast. This will be too fast to try to. Here we go. All right, here we go. It is moving. And the Qs are moving. And the 5 minute, well, 5 minutes not really on a bicycle. And we turned down that fast. Jesus fuck, dude. Oh, we're still in the game. The regular, they can't keep up with it. It's how fast it's going. So it's at 34.12 right now. Oh, 34.12 right now. Is that what you guys have?
No, I got 33.
Oh, 33, 80, 87, 77. Jesus. Yeah. I'm not going to hold these long. If that candle breaks the previous candle, I'm going to dump it. If it holds it, I'm going to add to it. Jesus fuck. God damn it. See how, God damn, it's going fast. What's up, Carlos? I mean, we got that. There's support right there at the 33 level. I mean, it looks like it wants to run. Then a target of 38. We shall see. They stopped. Oh, no. TQ's just, we got an up channel. Where are we at, TQ? All right, I'm adding shares. See it sitting right there?
It's right, yeah, I know.
It is just sitting right there. If it breaks that, it's going to go down bad, though. I'm out. I'll just watch it for a second. We broke that. That's not good. Can you even? I'm going to see if E-Trade can even get me shares to short. I bet they can't. Nope. They cannot. They cannot get you shares if you wanted to short it. Not on E-Trade. What kind? Don't you hate when people don't show up on time? Let's see. Yeah, they probably throttled it. Why YouTube would give a fuck, I don't know. Let's head back up. Oh, oh, there goes TQ.
2 seconds.
TQ is on the move. Oh, they say he was going live? 10 seconds. So we'll see what he says. And be ready to click the button. Oh, dude, I can't make it. They paused it again, huh? I love this. It's going over the top of the disclaimers. See who's or what? Come on, man. He's got band-aids and shit all over him. This guy, man. Stock is still frozen. And there goes TQ. Let me know if Gamestop right.
Oh, shit. Oh, that was a close call. Shit's up there. Oh. 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 Help. Help. Help.
This guy's rich as fuck. That's what he's doing.
Can y'all hear me right now? I forget how to do this. I kind of tested it. Can you hear me? I can't keep up with this. You can hear me? Yeah. Okay. this shit. Look at shit. Oh, you can hear me. Oh, excellent. I had to dust this shit off to get this working. Oh, you brought me back to life with the track. It's like a. That was a close call. Damn.
Did we lose internet? Okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit! I'm alive. Kinda.
Rolling.
What's up, everybody? I'm looking around. I think the feeling
It's back
working,
open.
but I haven't done it in so long. I think it's working. I think that you can hear me. It looks like it's going okay.
I'm
I
in.
think we can get it. Sorry, I'm legit looking at the chat here just to see. Okay, all right. I think it's working. I can't believe that shit. I thought for sure I was somehow. Welcome everybody. Happy Friday. Oh shit!
Trim in TQ.
That's okay. I got a beer. You know, I know it's the middle of the afternoon here, but right? It's Friday. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's not 5 o'clock here, but it's about to be.
I'm selling half this GameStop right now.
Oh shit! Wait, do I gotta wear this shit the whole time? I don't think. There's no YouTube rules like whatever your drip is when you start. You gotta keep rocking. I'm pretty sure there's no way that's a rule. I mean, I'll keep it up for now because
Coming up to the 200-day moving average.
cheers, everybody. Let's go. Let's. Oh, it's going up. I can say that, right?
Sure love up 30K, he says.
I say it's going up. Is that okay? Is that okay? Look at this.
You can't say it's going up, bro. Don't say that.
Cheers. Crazy stuff going on these days, huh? Crazy stuff. Can you believe it's me? Can you believe it? Because it kind of looks like people don't. So I figured I'd pop in here, say what's up, everybody. I hope everyone's
They
doing
stopped
good.
it again.
I know it's not the usual time of the stream, but figured I'd see what's going on, check in, how everyone's doing. No real game plan here. Just wanted to hop in, see what's popping. Damn, there's mad heads in here. Damn. All right. Okay, yeah. So I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a few years now. I hope y'all are good. We've been doing okay here, hanging in there. This, you may not. I mean, I'm
615,000 people watching, dude.
This isn't a real bandage. This isn't a real. What do you call this? A splint? Is that the word? It's not real. I'm messing around right now. Messing around. Okay. So other than this, we're doing okay here, right? Been a crazy. Well, first, I mean, it's been a crazy few years, right? It's been a crazy couple of months.
Sold half my TQ.
Oh shit. Yeah, bonkers. I wanted to. Oh yeah.
They fucking stopped
it's
it.
pretty good to be back. Oh, gotta forget what it feels like after so long. Before I get started, I feel like there's no post over. Like, how many is 5? But now you got to make it quick. You do a little pregame, and after. In my case, might be some coffee. But I think it's time to make a switch. I mean, I don't know what type of beer you think I'd be going for today, but I mean, maybe this isn't the right day to do it. I mean, I hope. Can I do this? Can I show this? Oh, you can't see it. Oh, can you get it? You get that's a hit that you can't see. Oh, I should have tested that. Whoops.
He obviously doesn't have a crew.
Let's see if he's. Oh, you see it? Oh, they see it. I'm not caught up with the chat, but at least I see y'all scrolling through there. Green, it's green. Because, all right, so it's green, right? But go Celtics, all right? Go Celtics. One last night, all right? I'm pulling for them. I guess it's not a clean day here, right? But I mean, this is the finals, baby. To start off the series with that. Let's pour this. Let's start it off right. Like I said, 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock. Oh, Carlsberg is actually a good guess. That's actually a good guess. That's a great one. Rolling Rock. Go Celtics. Let's go. I can't keep with the chat, but I can look over. Sorry, I'm new to a lot of in here, right? I just look, but at least I can catch some of your things. All right, let's pour this in here. My buddy, oh, can you see this if I pour it all the way in there? I should have showed you before I poured this shit. My buddy hooked me up with some. You can see it. Oh, you can see it. Maybe when the head drops.
What do we got here?
All right, just pull that up. Kind of screwed up the pour. Okay, I'm doing it with one hand. Also, I'm sorry. I mean, I was late, but you try starting the stream rocking this. You know, I mean, I'm doing it. I'm trying to do it opposite here. Right? Sorry about that. All right, I'm not for real though. I think we're gonna take this off. It's so in my head. I feel like I'm actually into it or something. How do I do that? Whew. Whew.
I'm back in a full position on CQ here.
Oh shit! It's stuck to my hair. Ah, shit. Okay. Pop that over there.
We're back in the full.
I think I'm warm in here too, but I don't. I mean, now you know I was messing around. I don't need this ice pack. I got this ice pack just it's getting a little bit warm. But again, I was just messing around. I don't actually need it. But if I get too hot, let's put this. Yeah. So what's
Well, early to be drinking beer, huh?
I gotta be. Do I have to be careful what I say here? I'm not really sure. I don't know. But I did want to hop on the stream here. I mean, some of you have seen I've been back kind of active for a few months, but I did probably well. Figured I'd check in. This is me, by the way.
They're going to stop it the whole time he's talking about it.
Is it someone else? I mean,
what the fuck?
Tell me what weirdo spends their free time working on me? You know, like could someone else? Is someone else doing that? You know, I own it. It's okay. But no, hey, this is me. No, it's not AI.
It's back on.
These days, you know, I see this is me from the top in here.
Yeah, it's back on.
Just remind everybody that course. What else? Oh, these are the accounts showing, and my positions are mine. You know, like those are my positions. I'm not working with anybody else. I mean, I work with hedge funds. It's like the same stuff as last time. So it's kind of interesting to see that stuff. So I'm like, all right, I gotta hop on a stream and just remind people, you know. And then what else? Like I'm not an institutional investor, you know. Other stuff, and I am definitely not Paul Dana, right? I don't know if you thought you were going to tune in today. It's going to be like Paul Dana on here, but it's not Paul Dana, okay? And actually, I still haven't seen that movie. I've seen some clips. But no, I'm not Paul Dana. I'm not Paul Dana either. So I'm sorry to disappoint if that's what you need to see. Oh no, I'm causing it to go down.
Yeah, you need to shut the fuck up, bro.
I press the button and it's pressing from this. If the prices go down, or if I say something, oh boy, press the button and get me out. But what am I gonna do? Yeah, so I just wanted to check in with you folks and remind you all that stuff, let you know that it's me. Say what's up. Yeah. Also, I mean, let's. Can I talk about Gamestop? What can I say about Gamestop? I mean, the funny thing is that I have a lot of the about everything. You know, it's I mean, I've talked a lot about GameStop and how I feel about the situation and all that. And, I kind of wanted to hop on and kind of reiterate a lot of my.
Right at support or we were.
Yeah, I think if you remember my previous thoughts on the company and the opportunity, kind of like two parts. And that second part of the thesis is a reinvention of the business model or a transformation, whatever you want to call it. And I just, to remind people who, if you haven't seen my materials, that we're in that second part of it here, where it's less about, I see over the past couple of years, I see an overemphasis on like that legacy business. And it's just, there's no it matters. It's not that it doesn't matter, of course. But they're in the transformation stage here, and what could they transform?
I'm buying
into?
some.
You know what I mean? There's a lot of
Gamestop
question marks about that, understandably so. But essentially, it becomes at this stage of that second part of analysis, this transformation part, it becomes a bet on the management. You know, in particular, of course, Ryan fucking Cohen. You know what I'm saying? Ryan Cohen and his crew, and that's what folks are should be focused on. You know what I mean? And that's probably going to be an ongoing debate as to how people feel about him, whether he can successfully transform that business. Great discussions, and there's those are good discussions that need to be had. And so when I look at the situation, though, and I'm kind of going to be echoing some of the thoughts that I had previously, is that I feel like I see enough where I believe this guy might be able to do it, right? That's not a guarantee. This is the same thing as before. I mean, I'm not promising anything, but over the long term here, I think he seems like the type of guy. It seems like he has those characteristics, and the way he approaches this seems like he might be able to do this. But again, that's not a guarantee. This is kind of like, it's kind of based on feel. You've heard me say that, right? And so I have that feeling. I have this feeling, and I'm like, let me reiterate some of these feelings that I have. But it remains to be seen, you know. And you should keep your eye on stuff too. Reserve the right to change your mind about stuff, just like I do. Don't follow anyone blindly. Nothing on this stream is advice. So hopefully you all know that, right? This is the same thing. But like when I have a feeling about that, it's like, all right, well, let me share it. I can be wrong about stuff, but I think, all right, let's talk about it. And I don't know. I think he has the characteristics to do this. In particular, I think we can all agree, GameStop finds itself in a very unique situation, just like it did last time, right? Not just in the gaming space per se, but you have a company where you actually have so many people rooting for it, right? They're rooting for it to work out, myself included. How often does that happen? That folks like really want it to work out, and it's a highly unusual position. And it's so unusual. The way you manage that situation is you gotta manage it the right way. And honestly, the way he seems to be doing it, I think he's from a distance here, right? I have no idea, but I put myself in his shoes, and I think he's kind of seems to be taking the right approach, given this very unique situation that he finds himself, that the company finds itself in. You have a lot of investors kind of following what's happening, kind of wanting it to work out. You know what I say? That's very unusual. It's a very unusual situation. And I don't know if there's not too much precedent for it. You see it with some other companies, especially when the CEOs or the managers are just so heavily investing themselves in the business, investing themselves in the turnaround. And there's some managers out there who are somewhat similar. So I see it in Cohen. So that I think that he has the type of he seems to be doing the right things. And I know the question marks will be, well, what has he done? What did he do? What's the plan? You know, those are fair questions. But you really think he's been doing nothing, or that GameStop hasn't been strategizing, testing some things here and there, and how to move forward? I think that's pretty ridiculous. I think we've seen enough, in particular from him, to be honest. I think we've seen enough from him to think he's got a good head on his shoulders, and again, we haven't seen anything. It's speculation. You can argue that, but honestly, the way he seems to be handling this, and we don't know a plan, and that's fair. But boy,
back in the
you're
queues,
right-sizing the ship. You see, even the legacy business cutting costs, trying to stabilize some cash flows. Just try to stabilize that legacy business. But now it's all about the transformation, and that cash pile is growing. It seems to be growing. Will they raise more money? We'll see. I don't know. I mean, I see it, but if you just change one factor, and that's that you don't think Ryan Cohen is a dupe. All right? If you don't think he's not a fool, if you don't think that,
back in the
and
queues,
all of a sudden, suddenly they're sitting on billions of dollars in cash, right? And you actually think not only is he not a doofus, but he's extremely talented in that he has the capability to turn this around. Even if you don't agree with that, right? You pause. I think it really changes your mindset, and that becomes the bet. And I don't know. it's going to be a debate. But as time passes, you'll see more. That's the thing. I think some people say, "Oh, a lot of time has passed. We ain't seen shit," and that's fair too. But again, I think because of the uniqueness of the situation, I think generally in this type of case, be like being quiet, working on stuff behind the scenes, and thinking about what you're going to do can be could be a good approach. That's not the end all be all, right? We'll see where it goes from there. But it's a good starting point, and I personally don't think 3 years is too long in this case. 5 years, 10 years, all right. Like, we all wait 10 years, and it's like, all right, we're going to be going into the pet rock business. Come on, reserve the right to change your mind, just like I do. That's how you should approach it. But in this case, right, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. And it seems like people are quick to be like, oh, well, they haven't announced anything. The legacy business is struggling. Therefore, it's over. You know what I mean? I think that's just kind of silly just because I think it should be, it's just not proof of anything. Now, again, they start telling something. No, okay, let's revisit this. But right now, there's some uncertainty about it. And it becomes a better management. And you'll see that this is a thing in financial markets. It's unusual that it's a public company, but if you're dealing with like a venture capital opportunity or a startup company, this is often how it works, where you may have an idea or you might have a management team that you believe on, and that tends to be what you'll focus on. And do they seem like they have the right skill set to pull it off? That's the focus. I mean, that's what I mean. This is not unusual in financial markets generally. What may be unusual is that this is a public company, right? In that you have non-institutional investors. You have non.
All right, guys. I'm sure some of you guys are watching this from other angles. Oh, sorry, I've turned that volume up. I can't even read his thing, man. So I'm trading the TQ. I'm in this GameStop if they fucking open it again. But we're fixing to blow out a TQ here. It's moving.
Down.
Jesus fuck. Let's get short here. Dude, E-Trade can't even fucking process trades. What in the fuck? What in the fuck, dude? They can't take my orders? I'm short the Qs right now, but it took them like 10 fucking seconds to process that trade. Down we go. Let's see, guys. Yeah, motherfucker, as long as you talk, they're going to keep it halted. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's the Q's moving right now. out of that short. I don't know why I keep trying to short it. You can't get anything going on that end. All right, so we're back in the Qs. Small position. Still halted?
Yeah.
Back on the long side of the Qs here. Boom! Qs are on the run. Oh, nice move by the Qs there. E-Trade's trying to lever. Is it moving again?
Yeah.
Oh, it's back up to 30.
Then it grows.
And it stopped again.
Yep.
Huh. Yeah, it went to 30.92 and they stopped it. E-Trade didn't even fucking move it on their screen. They're still showing it. What in the fuck, bro? It is halted. It's all we're gonna do all day. Fucking constant. Yeah, 30.92 is what I got. Qs are running, man. I got 1,000 shares of the TQQ right now. Fucking YOLO in it. I don't give a fuck. We're gonna go broke today. Someone else in the garage spooning. This man is a talker. Goddamn. Yeah, he talks a lot. He just babbles, really, in my opinion.
Institutional investors who were like, I was like, yo, shout out Brockton. I seen that. See, I'm gonna see like bits and pieces. I'm sorry. This is probably how the streams usually work. This is shout out. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, shout out to so many folks. You know, I've been talking about social media, and friends and family. Shout out to so many people. I know for some folks it's been a while since we touched base. So it's an opportunity to say what up to everybody.
What up? What up?
What else? What else? What else? Something else?
Yeah, dude, it's gonna stay halt as long as you keep fucking tossing. There. Right now. It's filled up and then the tongue pushing it down. The buds are pushing it down.
It's good beer. I don't want to take credit for something.
My stand. Oh, here it is.
Oh, 5 minutes. 600K. Not just check. Give you some prompts.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm selling some of these TQQ here. 6808.
I wish I had. I don't. Well, this isn't really a traditional stream, I suppose. Because a traditional stream, we just be shooting. We're kind of just shooting the shit, checking in on stuff.
Woo! Look at it running.
All the halts are due to the stream.
He's got us all fucked up. We're spilling shit.
All right, let's go. Yeah, movies. Yeah. I'm sorry.
Just sold 200 of my 1,000 on the TQQ.
About to start talking about movies. Just random things.
It's probably an algorithm in there trying to get
Yeah,
into.
I know. Well, you see. I hope y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed some of those memes. You know, you can see I worked a while, which is obviously extremely embarrassing, right? You think I don't know that? I know that, but I think it's kind of fun to work on it. I hope you think some of them are funny too. I think see that's the internet in me, right? Some of y'all know, like that's.
He is so weird, huh?
Lurker. Now I get to share someone else.
He didn't make a shit ton of money. It would be difficult to take.
It's been like a lifetime of entertainment. It's pretty cool.
You like this guy's style?
Let me share.
You need to bring that to ours then.
Not just the memes, but kind of a lot of the stuff.
Just be goofy as fuck.
It's just
Show up weird hats.
Although I see
stuff.
some people, right? I work on the memes and
Costumes.
and I'm like, oh yeah. When
They
were
love them.
I'm not sure it's me.
I'm the
They're
normal
like,
choosing
look at those
costumes and shit.
quality edits. I'm just like, oh. I'm like, oh no. I mean, I'm not a professional video editor or anything like that, but it hurts. It hurts. I'm doing my best here. I'm trying to learn. I'm doing my best. So I'm always.
They're just gonna keep fucking halting this thing.
We're back up 32.
All right, baby. We're long too. Are we on the move?
31.
What is going on with my machine? All right, we're back up. And we're back. We're going to get 1 minute. Get your chance to get your trades in.
All GM.
Wow, it's what in the fuck, dude? I'm gonna I'm closing out this TQ because I can't keep track of it. We can get back in it. They halted it again. No.
No.
I need to downsize, huh? This is not going the right way. See, we're already in a down channel here. What in the fuck is this?
I halted at 30.
All right. So we're in a down channel on this thing. And I guarantee you right now that all this halting is just letting hedge funds set up trades. This is some bullshit, man. Need to back it up. See if there's any support anywhere. All right, so if you look on the 10-minute, there's support. Well, sort of. Back in the queues for. I got out for a second because it's hard to watch all three and run the stream. Yeah, any fucking trade he's in. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. I'm out of these queues, man. What's up, man? We got 40-something people. We'll put it back on this dude and see what. Who's he talking to?
To an A-bar?
I mean, but does he have a person there, you think?
No, he's talking to his chat.
Ah.
Well, I'm always check out that chart though, huh? Can I do charts real quick? Can I do charts? Y'all might have seen this too, but wasn't that kind of funny? Wasn't that kind of funny? Like it comes down to like right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that line right there. Came down. Well, I don't feel like drawing it right now. I'm just going to use this.
I don't feel like drawing it. It's so hard to draw it.
Do I have a lawyer in the room? No, but maybe I should. And I should give them control of that button. Get them out of there. Get them out of there. Don't say that. Don't eject them. Eject them. Where's that button that I can press?
TQ setting up, guys.
Sorry, I'm only going to catch some of these. I'm going to catch the ones that are going through there. Don't do it. Does the ball constitute advice? Does it constitute advice?
Yes.
You know? Or, I mean, you play... You look at that. Oh, you see that one. You know what color that one is because you can't see it. Sorry, I'm jumping around here, but you know how my mind was. But was this one played today? Did someone play that and I didn't see it? It feels like someone might have played that. And I was like, oh, I missed that. I missed that. But there's always that. There's always that. Do I have any others? Oh, there's the color. Those are the three. I feel like those are the three funniest ones, you know? All right, okay. Wait, where's it go? Oh, what'd you eat? Well, hold on. Let me just get to the chart real quick.
Are we back?
Can I draw? Hold on. Let me see if I remember how to do this. Oh, I do. Right there. All right, look at that. Look at that. Right at that. Huh? Look at this. It's like jumping up and jumping down.
Back long TQ here.
It was like right there. This is all a test. But you see that, and then you see I'm going to do another one right there. I don't know. It's sort of size, but I see that that's bull. That chart was just bullish. You know, I feel like most technical analysts would agree with that. That doesn't mean something's going to automatically do something. Of course not. Technical analysis is wrong all the time. But it can be an indication of something. So you see that. I mean, no, we used to do charts. We used to do charts back in the day. I think it can be fun. But anyway, I saw folks mentioning that. I had it open. I just wanted to check that out. But that's always fun. It's always fun to do. But you never know. It's always a test. Educational. It works. If it doesn't work, whatever. I always think that's fun. But all right, the 8-ball. 8-ball. First of all, I need to set it up. Well, we need to figure out what we're going to ask. Honestly, I don't know. Can you do? Oh, let me see. I'll toss out some questions as to what we might ask. Oh, it's going down. Oh no! See, technical analysis. See, it's going down more now. See, that's how ineffective it can be at times. Right? You even pull up a chart sometimes. You even pull it up. Ugh, forget about it.
Forget about it.
Will we end green? All right, that's one.
No, we're not ending green, dude.
Exercising, that's one. Will Celtics win? That's a great one.
That's what he should do. Come on, just talk sports. Fuck with the government.
Is today the day to do it? Is today the day to ask this something? It does seem like that. Like there's a lot of moving parts right here. I don't know. Maybe today's not the day to do it. No. I don't know about ending. Oh, now it's about that. I'll think about it. Because the question's got to be good. If all y'all remember, like the question is really.
That was a big bullish candle, though, when they closed it, coming back up.
And I see a lot of good ideas here.
Back to the TQ rocking, though. It just 30-cent days are just not as exciting as $10 days. I'm gonna be honest.
I'm gonna table this. Literally gonna table it for perhaps another time. I don't know. I need to think. I should have been thinking about what we might ask that I see, but now I see so many different good options as to what the appropriate question could be. I'm not sure. Plus, I don't know if they.
Oh, an 8-ball? The feds will put you in jail. Oh, dude. Dude. The shit. They arrested some dudes in Texas for emojis. Because they put a rocket emoji on a fucking tweet. I can't use emojis anymore because they can be used against you in court of law. The emoji implies emotion. So if you put a rocket emoji next to a stock, it means you think it's going up. You're not allowed to think that. As an influencer, regular people can, but not Roaring Kitty. They arrested 7. You know they're recording. This is awful. Of course, it's being recorded. He has to be called right back in court. Did you see his congressional thing? When he opened the Congress and say, "Want to say for the record, he's not attached." So good, man. So it's back open at 80.90. We're still in the queues here. As boring as the queues are today. Looks like GameStop it's back open. Do we add shares here? Yellow man, all the money I was going to give to charity, I'm playing it right now. Fuck those charities. Nope. Down we go, huh? Bro, I'm thinking I should dump. Should I dump? Oh, no. Let's don't dump, man.